Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CCIV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day today. Price came down here quite a bit, and the one big red flag, the one big thing that needs to be considered now moving forward from the technical point of view. Actually, let me squeeze this down so you can see more of the impact of it. But as you see right now, the price is sitting basically right at that trend line. Now, the good news is the price did not just completely collapse to the downside. But I mean, the bad news is the price is still technically down below that area. So that brings up the more than valid question moving forward of, is this the start of something bigger on the bears' part? Are the bears, about to show up and make a bigger move? That all remains to be seen. And while nothing is guaranteed, so don't get me wrong, just because the price has closed on the bottom side of this, trend line, does that mean that for sure guaranteed a big move is coming to the downside? No guarantees at all. But is it at least valid? Is it at least a rational thought to be now wondering, is this the start of something potentially bigger? Yeah, that is a more than valid, thought process to have. So keep that in mind moving forward. We'll see if this is the, beginning of a bigger move to the downside or not. Now, a very quick way to kind of squash that theory and squash that question and say, no, that's a terrible question, is if the price can just get back up above that trend line, or more specifically, if the price can get back up above that $20 mark. That would be a very, very good first step in kind of, just like I said, putting aside this, general question of, all right, the trend line is broken. Is things about to get worse? So get above the $20 mark. That would be a very good first step. And then after that $20 mark, you have the next key level right up there around $20.20. So that'll definitely be the main question mark moving forward. Is this the start of something bigger from the bears? Or maybe it's just a blip on the radar and the bulls will quickly recover on Friday. So let's see what happens with it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.